My name's Alexa. We're at Project Brunch. It is a pulled pork filled waffle with a bacon mac and cheese and a bacon jalapeno maple syrup on top. So super cheesy and creamy and all that kind of yummy stuff. But then the waffle is really crisped up, nice and crunchy, and the bacon on top adds a nice little crunch as well. So we put Oreo pieces right into the pancake batter and grill them on our flat top. And then we top them with 2 whole fried Oreos, fresh homemade whipped cream, and a chocolate sauce. We line our cup with graham crackers and chocolate frosting, and we top it with 2 torched marshmallows, whipped cream, and chocolate sauce. Our menu is really unique in the way that we like to combine a lot of sweet and savory. So we'll take something like a waffle, which is typically a little bit more sweet, where we combine it with a savory mac and cheese, and we do that a lot with our menu. We like to kind of test those boundaries.